Welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 3y minus 6 is less than or equal to 12. We will provide the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started with the solving process. To solve the inequality 3y minus 6 is less than or equal to 12, we need to isolate the variable y on one side of the inequality. In this first step, we will add 6 to both sides of the inequality. This is done to cancel out the minus 6 on the left side. So we add 6 to the left side and to the right side. Starting with 3y minus 6 is less than or equal to 12, when we add 6 to both sides, we get 3y on the left side is less than or equal to 12 plus 6 on the right side. So now we simplify 12 plus 6, which is equal to 18. Our new inequality is 3y is less than or equal to 18. We write this as 3y less than or equal to 18. In interval notation, we don't need the full interval yet because we need to finish the steps. But remember, this intermediate step is 3y less than or equal to 18. In this step, we have changed the expression from 3y minus 6 is less than or equal to 12 to 3y less than or equal to 18 by adding 6 to both sides. In step 2, we need to solve for y by isolating it completely. Our current inequality is 3y is less than or equal to 18. To isolate y, we must divide both sides of the inequality by 3. This is done to cancel out the coefficient of y, which is 3. Dividing both sides by 3 ensures that the inequality remains balanced. Starting with 3y is less than or equal to 18, when we divide both sides by 3, we perform the division step on both sides. On the left side, 3y divided by 3 equals y. On the right side, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So we now simplify the inequality to y is less than or equal to 6. Now our inequality has been altered from 3y is less than or equal to 18 to y is less than or equal to 6. This is our final step as we have successfully isolated y. The solution to the inequality 3y minus 6 is less than or equal to 12 is y is less than or equal to 6. In interval notation, this solution can be written as y less than or equal to 6 can be written as negative infinity to 6, including 6. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.